Hey everyone! In today's video, we will be talking about the brand new Galaxy Tab S10 FE from Boost Mobile. This mid-range powerhouse is packed with features. Let's dive in. Display and brightness. The Tab S10 FE boasts a 10.9-inch LCD display with a smooth 90 Hz refresh rate, perfect for streaming and scrolling. It also hits up to 800 nits brightness, thanks to Vision Booster, making it easy to see outdoors. Battery and charging. Inside, there's an 8,000 milliamp battery that supports 45-watt super-fast charging, and Samsung promises around 20 hours of video playback on a single charge. S Pen. It comes with Samsung's simplified S Pen right in the box. Great for doodles, notes, or precision tasks. There's no Bluetooth, but for everyday use, it just works. Cameras. The rear packs a 13-megapixel camera, and the front an ultra-wide 12-megapixel shooter. Nice upgrades over last year's FE. Performance and storage. Under the hood is the new Exynos 1580 chip, paired with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. There's also a 256 GB option available via Boost Mobile. And if that's not enough, you can add up to 2 TB via micro SD. Connectivity. Connectivity isn't lacking either. This version supports 5G Sub-6 plus Wi-Fi 6, so browsing and streaming stay fast. Galaxy AI features. And yes, AI is front and center. AI front and center. You get Circle to Search, Auto Trim video editing, Handwriting Assist, Math Solver, Object Eraser, and more. Free through 2025. Creative Tools. It even comes preloaded with tools like GoodNotes, Clip Studio Paint, and Luma Fusion. Ideal for creatives on the go. Durability. Need durability? The Tab S10 FE is IP68 rated, dust and water resistance for peace of mind. Pricing, Boost Mobile. At Boost, the Tab S10 FE is available for $399.99, or $16.67 per month with $0 down. You also have the option to upgrade through Boost's Galaxy Infinite Access plan. Comparison, Tab S10 FE versus Tab S9F. If you're coming from the Tab S9 FE, the differences are real. Exynos 1580 versus Exynos 1380. 13-megapixel rear cam versus 8-megapixel. Brighter screen and Android 15 out of the box. Outro. So is the Galaxy Tab S10 FE worth it? With its bigger screen, AI tools, water resistance, and the included S Pen, it's a strong all-rounder, especially at Boost's price. If you want a powerful Android tablet without breaking the bank, this is a solid pick. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below. What do you want to try first on the Tab S10 FE? And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload.